What's up guys, welcome back to yet another review video. In this video we'll review Oxygen OS 11.2.5.5 for OnePlus 9 series. Recently OnePlus rolled out a new update for OnePlus 9 series which was Oxygen OS 11.2.5.5 and many users were reporting lots of issues on this build. I've been using this build since it was out and yes, there are few minor bugs here and there which we'll take a look in this video. It's been more than 1 month OnePlus released their new series of OnePlus 9 and still there are lots of bugs here and there. I think OnePlus needs to more focus on their software department. In this video I'll be covering all the bugs what I've been facing, along with that battery backup, gaming performance, and for gaming I have made a dedicated gaming test video on OnePlus 9 after this update. I'll leave that video link in the description below, make sure to check that out. So I checked out all the comments on a previous video when we got this Oxygen OS new update for OnePlus 9 series, and one of the major issue what people have been reporting is related to gallery. It's been long time OnePlus have rolled out Android 11 for OnePlus devices, but still gallery application is not optimized well. It takes a little bit time to load the photos whenever we open the application. And this has already been fixed on OnePlus 8 series running beta channel, but haven't fixed on OnePlus 9 series. Also OnePlus 8 series have got the FPS meter on beta builds, but that feature is not available on the latest series of OnePlus, which is OnePlus 9 series. After this latest update, device also feels warmer if you use it continuously for 15-20 minutes. And this I had already mentioned in our previous video when the update was rolling out. And that issue have been appearing on OnePlus 9 after the latest update. Let's see if OnePlus gonna fix this in the upcoming update or not. I've also noticed slight jitters while scrolling in the recents panel. And this happens most of the time when I have lots of applications running in the background. If you guys are also facing this issue, then do let me know in the comment section below. Notification delay is still an issue on OnePlus 9 series which haven't been fixed with this latest update. Along with that, Gmail application was also not showing the notifications. For that, I had to personally turn off the battery optimization for that specific application. I'm exactly not sure whether it's an issue with Gmail or the OS. On my other devices, I don't have any kind of issues receiving mails or the notifications from Gmail. Another bug what I have seen on my OnePlus 9 is related to WhatsApp. Here on my device after this update, I get to see the icon of WhatsApp in notification even if I am receiving SMS from any of my group which are kept on silent. That icon appears for few milliseconds. Though after this update I have seen slight improvements related to charging speed of the device. And also I have made a dedicated charging test in 3 different modes, with screen on, with always on display, and with screen off. So I'll leave that video in the description below. You guys can check that out. But overall I have seen slight improvements related to charging. So these were the few minor issues what I've been facing on my OnePlus 9, and in that one of the most irritating one is the warming up of device, and that issue has been faced by almost all OnePlus 9 users. So if you guys haven't received this OTA update, I won't recommend you guys to update it right now, wait for the next build. And now let's also talk about the battery backup what I have been getting on my OnePlus 9 after this update. So here I have 2 battery cycles after updating the device to latest version. With first cycle I got 4 hours and 58 minutes of screen on time, close to 5 hours, in which gaming was included. In second cycle I got 5 hours and 20 minutes of screen on time, that was with my normal usage and little bit of gaming. So without gaming I have been getting around 6 hours of screen on time, between 5.5 hours to 6 hours of screen on time. And also guys, do remember battery backup depends on tons of factors and it won't be same for every individual. Now talking about the camera part. With this update, OnePlus done few fixes related to camera in which they improved the HDR and white balancing. Here are few samples clicked after updating the device to latest version. I personally did not find any kind of major improvements related to white balancing or pictures clicked in HDR mode. Clicking pictures in portrait mode using front camera still overexposes the pictures, though rear camera performance is decent. And clicking pictures with macro mode, here device struggles a lot. Along with that, device also struggles to focus on closer objects. And this was the case on previous update too, which still haven't been fixed by OnePlus. I think Hasselblad was just an hype. I don't see major improvements in the camera segment of OnePlus 9 series. Last but not the least, now let's also talk about the gaming performance on OnePlus 9. And since I have been using this device as my daily driver, so it's a primary device on which I do gaming. Overall I am happy with the performance when it comes to gaming. Device slightly heat up more, but when it comes to performance, I did not see much of FPS drop or lags. Though OnePlus 9 series doesn't have support of 90 FPS, but you can play heavy games like PUBG in higher graphics settings with 60 FPS. And with 60 FPS, I did lots of gaming. Device was performing pretty good. No lags were to be seen even if we are involving in multiple fights or landing at hot drop. Here's a small gameplay which you can take a look at.
Nice shot! Dead! Clear! Great! You're about to win!
The blue team is about to win!
Expired! Blue team victory!
So guys, this was the complete review of latest build for OnePlus 9 series. If you guys are still facing any kind of issues, then do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.